Hi guys, I'm Joanna Jayadeepa and I'm doing my Masters in English Literature at University of Aberdeen, Scotland. Um, I'm very happy to share my experience with university living with you all. The most hard part in my master's journey was finding an accommodation because this is an alien land for me. I do not know anybody here, and I was very scared because I didn't know where I was gonna live. That is like very important for us. So I was very scared, but then university living, they came up like a ray of hope and they helped me with everything. And there's this one little thing that happened for me is that I live at Spring Gardens. That is my accommodation name. What happened is that there was this management change, and that's why the money that I paid them, they told me that they'll refund it and it's in pounds. What do you expect? I was anxious, and then I was at the peak of my anxiety. I was so scared, and I was talking to university living my staff, and they were telling me that not to panic, and they took this problem as their own and they helped me to sort it out, like no matter day or night. They always were there whenever I contacted them about it. They always kept me posted with all thing, everything that was happening and everything. So I was very much I was assured that my money will come back to me, because I was scared like what if something happens. So I was, over imagining when you do something wrong. So it was all like that for me. So but in the end, right now it's all done. I got my money back and everything is cool over here. And I had this one idea about my accommodation where I wanted to stay. I told that to the university living, and they tailored an accommodation for me like that. It was just as I wanted, perfect, flawless, and everything that I needed. So it was so good. So I would highly recommend you all to make your booking through university living, because they do the best. They tailor the accommodation that you need, because I live at Spring Gardens. 10 minutes walk, I can go to my university. And in another 10 to 15 minutes walk, I can go to the Aberdeen bus station. In like 2 minutes walk, I can go to like a mall. What do you expect? That's all we need. Like, that's all I need. And there are like 2 or 3 grocery stores in and around my accommodation. Everything is nearby. In like 5 minutes, there's a police station. So it's just you just trip and fall somewhere. You'll have everything you need. Like, don't worry about anything. They'll keep you safe and secured. And their accommodations are not in any remote, or like the accommodations that university living provides. It's not in any remote area where you're all alone. It's not like that. It's in the city center. And the budget that I pay for my rent is really not that expensive. And I told to my classmates at college, they were like, really, you spend only this much money for your rent? That's so cool. And they were like, I think I'll also join your accommodation. That's really so cool. Why did nobody tell me about that? So it's like, it's the best, when you hear something about that, when you hear it from natives. Like, I was like so happy. I was like, okay, I made the right choice right now. So I was very happy about that. So I would also recommend you to do your booking through university living, and you will not worry about anything. It's all going to be safe. And when you come back to the place that you're going, it's going to be so fun. And it's not only from me, I even my friends, they also made their booking through university living, and they also told me that they had a very good experience. And we were not disappointed. That's all we need. So do not worry about your accommodation. Leave it in university living's hands, and it's going to be fine. I hope you all have a blessed day and all the best for your future.